Cupola 360 Total Vision, Total Control. Cupola 360 camera is designed to operate in extremely low temperatures. It's not only cold resistant but also capable of withstanding high temperatures. Designed to withstand all weather conditions in any environment. Having successfully passed rigorous impact tests, it demonstrates exceptional resilience against shocks. Equipped with 4 ultra-wide-angle lenses and high-quality photosensitive components. Equipped with the AST1235 processor, featuring ultra-low latency stitching technology, achieving unparalleled image quality. Power and data transmission all in one go. Multifunctional installation, suitable for various situations. Cupola 360 Total Vision, Total Control.